I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. This is a progression exercise that lets you work on two things. Number one, waltz clogs. I've gotten a lot of requests for waltz clogs lately. They're like, do more exercises with waltz clogs, and I'm like, I got you. So waltz clogs and also 16th notes. Just working on just getting that rhythm. Da 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 da. So we're going to be working on those two things today, and I hope that you're excited, because I am. So also, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Moving on. All right, so waltz clog, ball change is how this starts. Step shuffle, ball change, step shuffle, ball change, ball change. So you have an extra ball change in there to finish out that 4 count. Step shuffle, ball change, step shuffle, ball change, ball change. So let's just do that. That happens literally 4 times. It's waltz clogs and a thing, waltz clogs and another thing, waltz clogs and another thing, waltz clogs and all the things. So that's the pattern. So let's try just the waltz clog and make sure we have that. Step shuffle, ball change, step shuffle, ball change, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step shuffle, ball change, step shuffle, ball change, ball change. Good. One more time just to make sure we have that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step shuffle, ball change, step shuffle, ball change, ball change. Awesome. So we have our waltz clogs. Now I'll give you the sequence. After the waltz clogs the first time, you have 3 cramp rolls and a ball change. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8. Actually, these are triplets, aren't they? So these are 8th note triplets. I didn't even realize that, but it still helps you work on the da 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 da. That's what I was trying to get at, just getting those clear, like. So that's what we're working on along with the waltz clogs. So 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and 4 and is how it starts, and then you would go. So that's 3 cramp rolls and a ball change. Now you want those cramp rolls to be crunchy. I've said this in a couple of videos, so I like to call them like crunchy and smooth, like peanut butter, which is so strange, I know, but like it helps me think about it. When you have a smooth cramp roll, it's just like nice and smooth. But these are broken up. I want you to like really emphasize each sound. So you're more in plie. They're not as smoothly done together. It's da 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 da. If you're a musician, it's like saying I would like an actual like triplet rather than a grace note. Also, I apologize. Sayuri is having a hairball problem this morning, but this is the only time I can film, so I cannot stop. I do apologize for that. So, if you're new to this channel, I have cats, and they interrupt every video, whether it's with their cuteness or with their loudness. She chooses like right there to do this too. So we have 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and 4 and with the waltz clog. Then the first one, like I said, cramp roll, ball change. So first one is cramp rolls. Second one is what I call reverse cramp rolls, which is dig, dig, toe, toe. Now those can be even harder to keep even. Da 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 da. And it has to do with that left foot or your second foot. Just make sure that your second foot isn't going too fast. You're gonna watch that second foot and make sure you're not rushing it, because sometimes we can go and like really, really rush it in there. Take your time with it. Lift it up a little bit more. With both the dig and the toe. Keep an eye on that second foot. That's the one that we tend to rush. So, first part was waltz clog, 3 cramp rolls and a ball change. Second part was waltz clog, 3 reverse cramp rolls and a ball change. So the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool? Cool. So let's try just that. Waltz clog, cramp rolls. waltz clog, reverse scrambles. Let's just try that. Then I'll fill in the last part. Ready? 5. Or da 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 da. Cramp roll, ball change. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and full ball change. Ball change. Kind of? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 and roll, ball change. Awesome. The third part, you have the waltz clogs again. And then we have the hard part. Pull back, ball change. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, ball change. So it's. So what makes that super hard is that if we go slow, those pullbacks got to be broken up because you can't go. And because otherwise it's not going to fit the rhythm. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8. Cool? All right, so if pullbacks are not in your vocabulary yet, that is okay. Go back to doing a regular cramp roll. So it'll be just like the first part. So you do cramp rolls, reverse cramp rolls, then back to cramp rolls. Only if pullbacks are not in your vocabulary yet. That is okay. I try to make these exercises good for everybody. So let's go from waltz clog into the pullbacks only. Let's just do that third part. So it'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So, first part was cramp rolls. Second part, reverse cramp rolls. Third part, pullbacks. Fourth part, 1 of each. And if you're not doing the pullbacks, you're doing cramp rolls, that's okay. Cramp roll, reverse cramp roll, cramp roll. Do exactly as you did it. 1 of each. The last part, if you're doing the pullback, is cramp roll, reverse cramp roll, pullback, ball change. And that's how we round the whole thing out. So let's just try that one with the waltz clogs. Then we'll try the whole thing. Then I got some fun music for us to do it to. So just that last part from the waltz clogs. So it's going to go. Okay, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shift, full ball change. Step, shift, full ball change. Ball change. Roll, big, ball change. Not bad. All right, let's try the whole thing. Cramp rolls, reverse cramp rolls, pullbacks, 1 of each. Let's do it. Ready? 5, 6 from waltz clog. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shift, full ball change. Step, shift, full ball change. Ball change. Roll. Waltz clog. Reverse. Pullback. One of each. Awesome. Sorry, Sayuri's being so much today. She's got her hair ball, but she's also just been really kind of bad today. So I'm a little distracted. I keep looking over at her oh, what is she doing now? Right now she is clawing a door. This is gonna be fine. Okay, let's try it with music. And you guys can hear her. She's very, very upset that I won't open a door for her. Let's try it from the top with music. See how this goes. Cool. So it's gonna go step, shift, full ball change, step, shift, full ball change, ball change, da 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 da. Got it? All right, let's start that over. Now that we have the tempo, we got this. no. Later. All right, so let's try it again. This time just make it a little bit better. Have some fun with it, all right? Want to do something crazy? I'm going to try it on the left just one time. Everything starts on the left. We'll just give it a shot. Why not? I do this in my classes all the time. And since this is one of my classes, I'm doing it to you. Let's just try it on the left. The whole thing will just start on the left. Waltz clogs, cramp rolls, pullbacks, meowing. It all starts on the left. It's literally my left, actually. Girl! All right, one time on the left. If it's a disaster, it's a disaster. You just keep practicing and then it gets better and better and better. But we've got to work on both sides. So let's do it. I'm going to remember this video as the video that Sayuri just interrupted throughout the entire thing. I haven't tried it yet on the left, so this is going to be interesting for everybody, I promise. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is true joy for like, oh my gosh, I made it through the left side. It needs a little work. It's not as finessed as the right, I won't lie. But we made it, we tried it, we did it. So good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this exercise. I had a blast teaching it to you. I always have a blast teaching you guys. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this. We've got step tutorials where you just learn a step, choreography tutorials, we can learn a dance, and challenges, vlogs, everything you can want on this channel. This is your free tap dance class channel, and I am your tap dance teacher on YouTube, and I love it so very much. So thank you all for being here. Don't forget to also hit that thumbs up button because it helps other tap dancers find this channel easier, and who doesn't want to share the love of free tap class, right? So thank you so much, and as always, and Sayuri feels the sentiment, right baby girl? As always, thank you for dancing with me.